Hey everyone, welcome back to IT System Admin. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to install Java JDK 24 on Windows 11. Whether you are a beginner or setting up a new system, this guide will make the process super simple. So let's get started. First, open your browser. In search type Java download and hit enter. Here you will find the Oracle official website, oracle.com. Click on Java Downloads link. Now go to Java Downloads tab and click on JDK 24 tab. Scroll down and click on Windows tab. You will see x64 installer and its exe format. Click on the download link and download is started. Once the download is completed, open in folder then right-click on Java JDK 24 installer application and then click on Run as administrator. This app is not Microsoft verified, so click on Install anyway. Another notification will appear. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Close File Explorer and the browser. Java installer wizard is open. Click on Next. Here the installation location. If you wish, you can change the location by clicking on Change. Click on Next. Installation is started. Java is successfully installed. Click on Close. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Go to C drive. Click on Program Files. Click on Java. Click on JDK24. Click on Bin. Select the path from address bar and copy the path. Then close File Explorer. Click on Search. In Search type Advanced System Settings. Click on View Advanced System Settings. In System Properties, go to Advanced tab and click on Environment Variables option. Under System Variable, select Path and click on Edit. Click on Next and paste the path you have copied earlier. Click on OK. Again, click on OK and OK again. After the installation and setup finishes, let's make sure it works. Click on Search. In Search type CMD and right-click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt type Java space --version. If the installation was successful, you will see Java 2.4 and its release date. Congratulations, Java JDK 2.4 is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.